You have entered the prep zone. Today, girls volleyball at Salmon. The Hammond High Magnet Lady Tornadoes have come down I-12 over to I-10. Boom, they're here to take on the Salmon Lady Spartans in a pre-district matchup. It's volleyball, Hammond at Salmon. Pre-game with Coach Cahill. Coach, give us a rundown. First time we're seeing your team on, you've had them all summer. I know you got a young squad. Talk a little bit about what they're going through at this point.
You know, we've done so much better defensively. You know, we are young. You know, I have, you know, 3 sophomores playing all the way around for me right now, and you know, we're doing a lot better, especially defensively. You know, we're struggling putting the ball away, but we compete. You know, whether we're losing, whether we're winning, we're in the game. We're not getting blown away. And, you know, that's the thing I can expect most from my team. As long as we're competing and giving it everything we got every time we play, I can deal with losing. I mean, nobody wants to come out here and lose, but if you're competing and you're putting yourself in the game, that's all I can expect.
Yeah, it's tough if you do lose, but if you see progress. Are you seeing that progress?
Absolutely. I mean, I got a couple sophomores that have really, really come around since they were with me last year, and watch them play and watch how much they contribute to the game. It helps. It makes me feel better about the program. And I think we made major strides this year. Even though we're losing games, we're making major strides, and I think we're going to be better come to the future.
Pre-game with Coach Babin and Coach Diva East. Coach, first time we're going to see Hammond High, the Magnet Lady Tornadoes.
Right.
First time in a long time. Tell us about how your team has been doing so far.
We are doing really great right now. We worked really hard all summer, finished off our summer with 2 team camps, did very well, and I've got very, very high hopes going into this season with this varsity team this year. I'm pretty young, so I'm excited.
Yeah, I noticed that they only have like 2 or 3 seniors. So
I've got 5 seniors, but I've got some pretty good sophomores and 1 really good freshman. So
what are you looking for from your team today that is going to tell you that you're making that bigger strides?
For them to talk and consistency.
Hammond at Salmon with Taylor Alonso to serve it up to start this match. In the middle, we got a whistle on the first play. We had someone in the net from Salmon, and a quick 1-0 lead for the Lady Tours. And Perla Rodriguez will serve it up. Both teams young, and both teams in need of a victory early in the season. Rodriguez's serve. Earhart with the set. This one's going to be pushed over by Garrett and not returned. So 1-1. Excuse me, 2-0. No, it's 1-1. Looking at the scoreboard, it says 2-0, but it's really, it should be 1-1. Served by Earhart, Jordan Earhart, the captain. That's a big hit. That's not returned. Two to 1. Hammond, that serve by Seta, Samantha Seta. Big hit. Good reaction by Marissa Brown. And a nice kill from Aliyah Garrett. Marissa Brown will serve. We're tied at 2. Good dig there by Kasnave. And they get it over. Win, one more, got to go. Oh. A little communication problem there. Coach Babin talked about it in the pregame. Got to be able to talk. It was going to be a tough shot anyway to get it over. Marissa Brown serving. There's a big kill. Jordan Moon ties it up at 3. And Valerie Nguyen will serve it up. One of the seniors for Coach Babin's team. And the libero today in a different colored uniform, meaning she is the libero, a defensive specialist who'll play on the back line. 4-3 now. The lead by Hammond. And Valerie will serve again. Good save there. Ooh, big hit. Earhart couldn't get 2 hands on it, and it goes wide left. 5-3 the Hammond lead. Set 1, best 3 out of 5. Valerie Nguyen serving. Six-3 the Lady Tours lead in set number 1. Valerie Nguyen will serve. That one's going to be out. So a big hit from Courtney Stovall. Gets the Lady Spartans a point, and they trail 6-4. And Alaya Garrett to serve. That one's long. Unforced service error now from Garrett. Emma Griffith to serve. Griffith gets the ace, and Hammond gets a 8-4 lead. Griffith at the net. Nguyen with the dig. She's got to go over. She does. Good effort by Stovall for the block, but not enough. And a 9-4 lead for Hammond. Emma Griffith serving. That one was out. 10-4. Hammond, Griffith. And that one could not be saved. 11-4. And we're going to have our first timeout. Coach Cahill wants to talk it over with his girls. They trail 11-4 in set number 1, best 3 out of 5. Emma Griffith on the serve. Got a little bit of a curve ball serve. Six points in a row for the Lady Tours. And Emma Griffith, the serve. That one does not get back over the net. 13-4 Lady Tours. Brown, Earhart at the net. Alonso gets it over. This is going to be right at the net. And that one drops in. Good effort there by Madison Rodriguez from Hammond. And a 10-point lead now for the Lady Tours. Brown, Earhart, just keep it alive. Double hit by Alonso. Griffith. Handcuffs Stasia Jackson. Emma Griffith. And that one goes into the net from Alonso. Emma Griffith having mixed results. Some serves are returned and some are not. So, but the key is the Lady Tours have gone on a tear here, racking up about 12 points in a row. And we got a double hit, make it 13. Rodriguez with the big hit. Win, and they get it over. Good. Nice play from Amy Arsenault at the net. Arsenault with the follow through of that ball right over the net for the kill. Emma Griffith. That one was out. 22-4, Hammond. Madison Rodriguez with a nice kill in the middle. Double hit, and that ends the string of 17 straight points by the Lady Tours. Salmon will get to serve. Stasia Jackson. We have a timeout. 23-5, Hammond over Salmon, set number 1 here at Salmon. A timeout. Stasia Jackson with the serve coming out of the timeout. Win. Rodriguez, Perla that time. And a point to Hammond. It's set point at 24-5 for the Lady Tours. Best 3 out of 5. And Amy Arsenault will serve it. It's got to go over. Marissa Brown gets it over. Rodriguez in the middle. And that one's in the net. Too many hits. That'll end it. First set goes to Hammond and the Lady Tours, 25-5 over the Lady Spartans of Salmon.
St. Tammany Parish Public Schools, an A-rated school district. Graduates with the highest ACT scores in the state. Facilities with the latest technology. Safe and secure schools. A variety of sports, fine arts, and learning to last a lifetime.
I'm Superintendent Trey Foles, and this is where we educate every child, every day.
Second set to get underway. Perla Rodriguez with the serve. And the Lady Spartans get out to a quick 1-0 lead. Serve by Alonzo, Taylor Alonzo. And we're tied up. Served by Sita, Samantha Sita. Big hit from Garrett, but Wynn gets it back over. At the net, good, nice dig by Marissa Brown. That's going to be long. And a 3-1 lead for the Lady Tours. A little miscommunication and a 4-1 lead. Make it 5-1. And Samantha Sita will serve it up again. Good save there from Salmon. But Brown couldn't get to that. Arsenault with the kill to make it 6-1. Kinley Robinson with the kill makes it 7-1. Lady Tornadoes. Nice block. Sita with the serve and the ace. Again, a little miscommunication there by the Lady Spartans. Sita. Boom! Kill shot right there from Jordan Moon. In the world of little known and probably very unimportant facts about today's game, it's Hammond High. My daughter went to Hammond High, played 4 years soccer and was the captain in her senior year. And during that time, I was a coach here at Salmon. So that's your trivia question of the day. Hammond Salmon, what does that mean? There we go. And that's a double hit. And Sita will serve. And we have a timeout, 12-1. Hammond up in set number 2. They're already up one set to 0 in the best 3 out of 5 versus Salmon. After the timeout, that one goes out. And the Lady Spartans get a point. 12-2 they trail here. Jordan Earhart to serve, the left-hander. Good strong serve. Good battle at the net. We have a whistle. And we had a Lady Tor in the net. Earhart. Wow. Samantha Sita with a nice shot down the right line, sideline, to push the Lady Tors out by 10. And Valerie Wynn will serve. And Valerie handcuffs the Lady Spartans with that serve. (15-3). Wynn on on the serve. Brown unable to control. 16-3. Win. 17-3. 6 straight points now for the Lady Tours. And that one does not get over, and Lady Spartans get a point. Marissa Brown to serve. Good save by both teams. Rodriguez in the net. Point for the Lady Spartans. They trail by 12, 17-5. Set number 2, they lost set number 1. In the best 3 out of 5. Kinley Robertson with the kill to make it 18-5. Emma Griffith to serve. Griffith had a long run in set number 1 of services, of serving and getting a lot of points. And her first time in set number 2, she sends it into the net. Back-to-back points now for the Lady Spartans. At 19-7, they trail. Big kill from Madison Rodriguez. 20-7. Arsenault on the service. And that one gets over. The Lady Spartans have their 8th point in the second set. Stasia Jackson. Unforced service error makes it 21-8. Madison Rodriguez to serve. And she gets an ace. Rodriguez, a good solid game so far in both sets in the middle with some key kills for the Lady Tours. This one at the net, that's going to be in the net. (22-9) now. The Hammond lead. Aubrey Vanway to serve it up for the Lady Spartans. Wen unable to get it over. 22-10. And Aubrey will serve. Point to Hammond, 23-10. Perla Rodriguez serving. 24-10. It's set point. A chance to go up 2-0. And Rodriguez to serve. And the Lady Spartans stave off one set point, but it's still set point with Alonso serving. And that is the end of set number 2. The Hammond High Magnet Lady Tours are up 2-0 in the best 3 out of 5. Set number 3 about to get underway. Taylor Alonso with the serve for the Lady Spartans. They're down 2-0 over the Lady Tours of Hammond. And they do not get the first point of the third set. They've had mixed results handling serves. Perla Rodriguez to serve for Hammond. That one is out. That was a good, the whole setup, everything was good. Garrett's hit, though, went wide right. Coach Cahill instructing Miss Garrett to come over the top and get the ball headed in a downward trajectory. I can't even say that. And that one handcuffed Stasia Jackson. Kind of the story of how it's gone for the Lady Spartans. On the flip side, the Lady Tornadoes have done everything they needed to get points. Three to 1 Hammond with Jordan Earhart. Earhart, the lefty, good strong serve. That one's set up in the middle. And Jordan Moon unable to execute that one, a little too far away from the net. 3-2 the Hammond lead. Earhart. And the Lady Spartans have tied it up here in set number 3. Earhart with the serve. And Lady Spartans able to capitalize on a strong serve from Jordan Earhart, have pushed out ahead in this set. Hammond ties it back up at 4. Aaron Wilkes to serve. Ooh, nice dig. Amy Arsenault with the dig that earns a point and a 5-4 lead for the Lady Tours. And Erin Wilkes will serve it up. (6-4) now. Brown, Earhart, and Garrett. Garrett wide left on that. And a 7-4 lead now for the Lady Tours. Nice hit from Robertson, Kinley Robinson for the kill. Puts the Lady Tours up 8-4. Wilkes nets the serve. Point and side out to the Lady Spartans, and Marissa Brown will serve. Point for the Lady Spartans off of Brown's serve, and they trail 8-6 here in the third set. Big kill from Arsenault. And a 9-6 lead by the Lady Tours. Valerie Wynn will serve. Good rally here by both teams, keeping it alive. Garrett unable to finish on that one. 10-6, the Hammond lead. Win to serve. 11-6. Return of serve has been like a roller coaster for the Lady Spartans today. Sometimes they get it, sometimes they don't. Good dig right there. Second time's a charm, though, for Arsenault. I guess if you're going to save it, don't hit it back to the person that hit it. Salmon keeps it alive there. Aliyah Garrett to serve. Griffith to serve. Emma Griffith went on a service tear in set number one, but Lady Tours got a slew of points while she was serving. Some of them good serves, some of them just played out the point and gave Emma another turn to serve. This is set number 3, however. We'll see how this goes. Nice dig by Valerie Wynn. This has got to go over. Good save. Earhart for the set. Good dig there. Both teams playing out the point hard here. That one was out. Griffith to serve again. Nice block. Up front by the Lady Tours. Miss it there. 10-point lead now by Hammond. Emma Griffith. One thing's for sure, Miss Emma has had a lot of practice serving today and got a lot of them in and not returned like that. (19-7). Griffith, a senior, to serve. Kill down the middle. (20-7). The Hammond Lady Tours leading in set number 3. Arsenault finds the opening. And a 21-7 lead for the Lady Tornadoes. A carry on that one. Double hit, yes. 22-7 now. Hammond. (23-7). Griffith. Over the line. Good hustle by Stasia Jackson, but she crossed the line. 24-7. It is set and game point right here. Chance to close it out. Emma Griffin. 13 straight points ends it. And the Hammond Lady Tours win this one 3-0. Going to send our thank yous out to the people that brought you this game, starting first with our superintendent, Mr. Trey Foles, our director of broadcasting, Dr. Melody Swang, cameraman and editor alongside me for 650 plus, Dave the Rave Williams. I'm Charles Tiger Edwards. Good night. God bless. You be good. You are now leaving the prep zone.